Today I'm going to teach you 15 methods for manipulating a string. Let's start with charAt. So we're using brand variable that has dev_delete.com -development done right. Let's say we wanted to get the first character. We'll use the index 0, and if we refresh, we get D. So charAt lets you extract a character from a string, kind of like the string notation that I showed in the previous string manipulation video. So now there's a split. Split will break down the string using the character that you give it and return an array. So in this example, I'm giving it an empty space. So the way that JavaScript will break it down is like this. So dev_delete, then it detected an empty space, then index 1 of the array became a dash, and it broke down the other words using the space character. Slice will return a string starting from the index that you pass it. So as you can see, I extracted development done right because I gave the index 16 to slice. So it went and found index 16 and returned the rest of the string. You can also give it an index where you want it to stop slicing the string. So for example, if we want to stop slicing at index 19. I think what happened here is index 16 is actually an empty string. That's why it grabs 17, 18, 17, 18, 19. So if we change this up to 17, 17, and 20, it would actually start not from here, but starts from the D. Yep, that was right. So in this case, we give it an index starting at 17 and slice up to 20, 17, 18, 19, 20. It won't include the 20th index, just up to 20. Also forgot to mention that you can pass negative number. Now pause the video and tell me what you think will happen when you pass -1. It grabbed the T because -1 is a negative number. So it begins from the end of the string and grabs the T of right. If it did -2, it'll grab the H. Substring is exactly like slice, except it can handle negative numbers. So just use slice instead, but I just want to tell you and show you that there's a substring method as well. Substring is kind of like slice, except instead of passing the index of where you want to slice the string, you pass how many items you want to slice. So 17 to 19 to 2. So if you want to include the V in development, we need to add 3. So 17 to 19. So remember, the second parameter is how many characters to slice, -1 basically. The next one is trim. And what this does is just trims empty space. So for example, if we pass a character, hey, so if we pass a string, hey, this is dev_delete.com. So gotta trim it. So if we pass a string and then we use the method trim, it will trim the empty space in the beginning and the end of the string. Hey, the step delight. Concat will append one string to another. Example. If you refresh, devdelight.com. toLowerCase. It's exactly what you think it is. It returns the string in lowercase. Alexa, what time is it?
The time is 4 p.m.
toUpperCase. Yep, you guessed it. It turns the string to uppercase. endsWith checks if a string ends with a particular string or character. So it will return true or false. In this case, it's true because hello world does end with the world. Includes checks if our string has or contains hello. And this is true as well. indexOf returns the index of a particular character or string. In this case, it's 6 because 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's where the world begins. Thus, indexOf searches for the last index of a particular string that you pass. Or a character. Let's pass O. It returns 7 because last index of O is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's the last index of O. Repeat will just repeat the string as many times as we tell it to. Search will search for the character that we pass in our string and return the index of it. 2. 0, 1, 2. And that's the 15 methods I want to show you that you could use when manipulating strings and coding. Subscribe and leave a comment below telling me what is your favorite method in JavaScript.